Hey, I'm Sarah. I know I just sent this 2-pack of mop grippers. Now these things are really neat because they actually come with 6 of these removable adhesive things that you can put on the wall. So that way if you're living in an apartment or a dorm or something like that and you can't actually hang stuff up on the wall, these are great because they come right off and they're simple, easy to use, and these can actually support up to 10 pounds of a broom or stick or whatever you're wanting to use. Super simple to use. As far as adding your broom in, you just pull this little part out right here. You actually have it in like this. Pull that out, and then you can simply hang your broom right in place and it holds it nice and snug. To be able to install it, very easy as well. I'm going to bring you in here close so we will try it out. So you take the back and you pull it off, and then you just adhere it right to the back of your gripper here and just stick that down, press it in place, and then once you remove these, you actually just push it directly onto this area here. So we will do that. And then we can just press that right into place. And now you have the gripper up on the wall. And after about 24 hours, it will then be sticky. You can then use it to hang up all of your brooms. I mean, even just immediately putting it on there, it is holding on the broom really well, and it looks really nice. It's a nice 2-pack of mop or sweepers or anything you're wanting to put up on the wall. Grip it right in there. It does a great job.